Hello everyone, welcome to another Google Docs tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will show you how to circle something in Google Docs, whether it's a word or something like that. So first of all, go to Insert, go to Drawing, click New, and then here you will be able to start drawing a circle. For example, in this tutorial we're going to circle a word in Google Docs. So first of all, what we can do is we can go to Shapes, and then we can go to oval shape right here, which is basically a circle, right? So we can, go here and create a circle. And by the way, if you hold Shift, your circle will be, normal circle like this. If we don't hold Shift, this is what will happen, right? So make sure to hold Shift if you want this circle, or if you don't want this, you can do it like this, right? But we want this circle. So okay, right now we have a circle, right? So what we can do is we can go to our solid color here and then click transparent here, and this will remove the transparency. So now we are fully transparent. And now if we want to add a word here, we can just go here and then hold the left click, drag it right here, and then we'll basically put in a word, which is going to be sample text. And then we can just make it like this right here, and this will be the word. We can also resize this by holding Shift and left click, and then as you can see, this is pretty much it, right? Once we're done, we save and close, and this will be pretty much it, right? We can also, go to the middle here, and we can make it like this. So this is basically how to circle a word, or really any object or text-based object in Google Docs. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.